Waiting on YouTube here to show me that we are live. Great. It's Wall Street Sizing Up. Thank you for joining us. We are sponsored by StockTrade.tips. We are powered by StockTrade.tips. You can find us on Telegram at StockTrade.tips. Pretty simple. So what we're doing today is insider trades that we are following. It's not stocks to watch or stocks to buy, just insider trades we want you to know about. So we're going to get started real quick. It's already on the screen. You can see what the market said today. NASDAQ was at an all-time high. Did want to point out a couple stocks on here, though. You might look to GCO, Gensco. It's on the lower trend line. Should bounce tomorrow. I'm just looking at these before I went live. I thought it was interesting. But anyway, all right, let's get to it. So we will start with what is trending on Wall Street Bets. So AMC, bad day, from what I recall, right? So top five, AMC, CLNE, which has been there for a while now. BlackBerry, which had an up and down day, CLLV, Clove, and Workhorse. One of the ones we did trade today was the next one, ITUB. Made a little money off of that one. Tesla has moved up, and Palantir has moved up. And NVIDIA has moved up during the day as well. All right, let's go to, if you want to know, highshortinterest.com. So we've had a couple stocks. So Workhorse is the most shorted. Clover's next. FUV, those haven't changed. But here's one that has changed. Geo is now in the top 4. Nikola has always been up there, but it's in the top 10. Pets has always been up there, but in the top 10. GDRX is now moved up. LCI, which is Lynette, which went, I believe it went up and away today, at least for a part of the day. So it did pump a little bit. The low floats did not change. I don't see anything. I do want to go back to this. Remember Geo here? Yeah, you're about to love this. So we just had the Geo CEO and chairman of the board size up 1.1 million shares. He enhanced his position 5%. So that's something to look at. On June 15th, we're looking at that one. We're going to look at NNBR. You had President CEO size up there, smaller position on June 17th. That is today. We're not looking at that one. We might look at CTHR. Not looking at Sage. You might look at SSNT. They size. A lot of people size up on SSNT a lot of times. Now this is Alta Global Holdings. That's not they increased their position 25%. Yeah, you might look at SSNT. We're definitely going to look at MGNX. We called that yesterday, so we'll definitely revisit that. I closed out today. A lot of guys in the Telegram channel may have not, so they'll still be in that trade. One I did want to tell you about is TPL. Don't ever look at that. Literally, some insider. Typically, it's this person right here. It's just Murray Stahl. Literally every other day, he sizes up on his own stock. I don't know if that's to keep it pumped, but I mean it's a $1,500 stock. So, all right. So those are the one, and you might look at TSRI. You might look at TSRI. So we've looked at that. Let's look at what's on StockTwits. So the trending Twitters right now, ORPH was down big. It's it here. 23andMe went public, up 20%. That's a great. I believe it went public to SPAC though. Sunrun, that's that is solar power. Yes. AMD was up 5%. That's a big mover. And Adobe was up. I believe they had earnings. I believe those two, AMD and Adobe, had earnings. The most active. AMC was up 10% today. Sorry. Wish was the one that was wishy-washy, if you would. Torch was down. SPY was slightly up. OCJ. So a lot of meme stocks here. So you can see those. The watchers, kind of the same thing. Yeah. All right, let's go to. So that's what we're looking at. Oh yeah, I did want to. So 2 hedge fund trades. Let me go to that really quick. So the ones we got. So Cat B, which we called yesterday, we had a fair amount funds sized up on it on June 8th. So they're in good position. Gameco sized up an STRT. They do it. I mean, he literally owns that stock. That's Mario Gabelli. He's like 72 years old. The dude owns Wall Street. And nobody even knows about him. The dude knows everything. So STRT, he sized up on this a lot. He owns 20% of the company, but it's a low float. You might look at that. That's not. I've traded that before. Had some success. Lost some too. All right. Last and final one is going to be INFI. You had Integrated Core Strategies, ICS, sized up on June 10th in INFI with they increased their position 36%, 1.8 million more shares. Finally, let's go to crypto real quick. Crypto, I've updated it real quick. Here it is. Bitcoin down 2.4%. It was at 39. It's now down to high 37. Let's see what else is moving today. Ethereum under 2,400. Binance Coin under 350. Cardano under 150. Decent buys there. Decent buys. Let me see if I can bring up my. No, I can't. Let's look if there's any on the stock on the Senate Watcher. Had one on the 10th. We didn't look at this yesterday. John Boozman sized up. He did it by PPDF though. So what's the 8 say? 8 says both their sales. What's this one? No. All right. Both are sales. All right. So that being said, that's it for today, guys. Appreciate it. Just want to jump on here again. These are just stocks that essentially insider trades that we are following. Thank you very much. Watch your 6. Go hard in the paint. We'll see you next time. Thanks, guys.